All right, everyone, here's a quick question. Why do we say ping pong and not pong ping, or flip flop and not flop flip? It might sound random, but actually there does seem to be a rule behind it, and it has a fun name: Ablaut reduplication. So let's unpack that. The word Ablaut comes from German, and it literally means off sound or away sound. Ab means off or away, and laut means sound. It refers to a regular change in vowel sounds within related words. And you've already seen this in action in English, even if you didn't realize it. Think about the verbs sing, sang, sung, or ride, rode, ridden, or drive, drove, driven. The consonants stay mostly the same, it's just the vowel that changes, and that's ablaut. Now the second part, reduplication. This just means repeating a word or part of a word. It's really duplication rather than reduplication. And it's often done for rhythm, emphasis, or just for fun. So ablaut reduplication means repeating a similar word, but with a different vowel in the middle. Here's where it gets interesting. In English, when we do this, like chit-chat or zigzag, we don't just throw the words together in any order. There's a strong pattern that native speakers almost always follow, even if they've never thought about it before. So the rule is this: the first word has a higher vowel and the second word has a lower vowel. And no, you don't need to know phonetic symbols. It just means that your tongue is higher in the mouth when you say the vowel in the first word and lower in the mouth for the second. So let's look at some examples. Ping pong, ping has a high vowel and pong has a lower vowel. Flip flop, flip is higher, flop is lower. A. Chit chat, a. Mish mash, a. Tic tac, zig zag. We don't say pong ping or flop flip because it just doesn't sound right. Our brains prefer, for some strange reason, that descending vowel pattern. And even some three-part expressions, this pattern shows up. So tic-tac-toe, what Americans call noughts and crosses, that starts high and ends low. This, that, and the other, that's a classic one. Cool, calm, and collected. Again, high to low in both sound and meaning. And it's not just an English thing. Languages all over the world tend to follow similar patterns. So there may be something universal in how our brains respond to sound, rhythm, and vowel height. So to sum up, ablaut is the vowel change from the German ab, off, and laut, sound. Reduplication is the repetition or the duplication. And ablaut reduplication explains why we say flip-flop and chit-chat and not the other way around. So once you notice it, you'll start seeing it and hearing it everywhere. Thank you.